Are you worried about stage test?
A little bit. I am a little bit worried.
So yesterday I took the English stage test. It was harder than I expected, but I did my best. And I think if everyone does their best on the stage test, we'll be just fine.
Hi, Granite Park Grizzlies. I want to talk to you today a little bit about this upcoming stage test. But I want to share some success that we have had from last year to this year. From 2012 to 2013, you guys raised your math test scores 25 points. Almost 50% gain from what you did the year before. And with language arts scores, you guys went from 61% to 68%. That's a huge percentage. And our school, Granite Park Junior, went from 15 out of 16 schools in the district to all the way up to number 8 out of 16 schools. We jumped 6-7 schools just based on our efforts last year. You guys did tremendous. We've seen some data this year already. In fact, we're getting ready to share out the results for the SRI test. We had a focused effort on the SRI test. You guys really gave it your best shot on all those tests, and we see huge gains. We saw over a year's worth of growth in reading level in just 2 months. And I know you get tested a lot. There's a lot of things we test on, but I want you to just stay focused and just do your best. That's all. This test will test you on a few different things, and some of the questions might seem hard and some might seem easy. Just do your best you can. I know you guys will do wonderful. We've made so much improvement here at Granite Park. Granite Park has made huge strides. You have already and will continue to do so. I know you can. So keep up the good work, and when you have those tests, give it your best shot. Thank you.
Pretty soon I'm gonna take the SAGE test.
And it might be the hardest test I've ever taken.
But I go to Granite Park.
And I want everyone to know that Granite Park is not a ghetto school.
It's my school.
It's my school.
Es mi escuela.
And when these tests come,
I will do my best.
because when I do my best, it not only reflects who I am,
but where I come from.
And I come from Granite Park.
So bring it on, Sage Test.
Bring it on.
Bring it on.
Bring it on.
Bring it on!
You have no idea who you're dealing with.
Study. Okay, don't be a leak.
Yes.
Leaks are wet.
Leaks no good.
Yeah, I went completely brain dead.
Oh my goodness.
That was truly amazing.
Yeah, we're good. Thank you.
Getting wet.
Got all over my shoes.
Science is fun.